Are you ready to enhance your live streaming? Your setup is crucial, but let's focus on your video encoder. Streaming can be overwhelming. You can't just send camera footage to platforms like YouTube. It must be encoded first. Without it, you can't go live. A video encoder compresses raw video into formats platforms understand, like H.264. There are software and hardware encoders. Hardware encoders are compact and offer superior performance. They provide high-quality streaming with low latency but can be costly. They only encode video. Software encoders use your computer's CPU. They're affordable, flexible, and customizable, but can slow your system and lack power. Wondering which one to choose? For casual streams, software encoders like OBS Studio are great. For high-quality production, consider hardware options like Teradek. Want the best of both worlds? Try a cloud-based solution like Restream Studio. It offers multi-streaming, accurate captions, and seamless integration without high hardware costs. Your encoder choice shapes your streaming experience. Software options are budget-friendly and perfect for beginners. Serious broadcasters may want to invest in hardware for better production. Ready to stream like a pro? Start exploring video encoding today with the right tools. Your audience awaits.